In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a background in Canva. So I have a blank Canva file open, and I'm going to go over to Elements and pull in a photo that I'd like to remove the background. I'm going to add this photo of perfume. So let's remove the background of this photo. If you are a Canva Pro user, there is an option called the Background Remover. And if you click on a photo, you'll see Background Remover right here at the top in your Edit toolbar. It took the whole background out of my photo. This function works best on photos that have a pretty well-defined edge to them. And let's say you did this and it didn't work quite right. You can go up to your Edit toolbar and click Edit. In the Magic Studio, you can also find the Background Remover. It gives you some additional toggle editing tools. So if you click on that, you can now get in here with a brush. And let's say we didn't want this string of pearls. So you can remove more of the photo or edit the background cutout right here. And you can also restore some of the photo if you want to add some of it back, like this. So currently this is a Canva Pro feature only. You can do a free trial of Canva, and I'll put a link in the description below for that. So that's how you remove the background from a photo in Canva. Check out my free Canva beginner course and some free Canva resources in the description below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment. And subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and Canva tutorials. Thanks so much.